In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find substitution settings here in NBA 2K26. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below if we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off here on the main menu, what you need to go ahead and do is just tab all the way over to features up at the very top. And then once you're on the features tab, simply go ahead and open it up. Now, what you're looking for on here is actually going to be under the option settings. Essentially, you need to find this little coach settings right here. Go ahead and find it, highlight it, and then select it to open it up. And what you're looking for on here is going to be your substitution settings. Scroll down a little bit, you'll see substitution on here, and you're going to see it's going to be set to automatically. But essentially, you could choose between automatic or manual. Essentially, automatic lets the game handle it and the AI handle it. And of course, manual is going to allow you to handle it as well. You're also going to see substitution method on here, and there's a few on here. Ace, adjust based on strategy and scores, and rotation follows fatigue and playing time. So choose between any of these. If you ever want to adjust them, you select it and then choose on the right hand sidebar and then just back out and it'll save automatically. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.